Now let us look at some of the reasons for why we say Excel is so important. It is a versatile tool. Excel can be used for a variety of tasks including data entry and management, financial analysis, charting and graphing, data visualization, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling, and customer relationship management. It is easy to use. Excel has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to learn and use. Even if you are not a data analyst or a programmer, you can still use Excel to perform basic tasks. It is powerful. Excel has a wide range of features that allow you to do complex calculations, analyze data, and create powerful reports. It is accessible. Excel is available on most operating systems including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and iPadOS. This means that you can use Excel on any device regardless of what operating system you are using. In short, Excel is an important tool because it is versatile, easy to use, powerful, and accessible. Excel uses a variety of file extensions to identify the type of file and the version of Excel that was used to create the file. Here are some of the most common Excel file extensions. .xlsx. This is the default file extension for Excel workbooks created in Excel 2007 or later. It is an XML-based file format that is more efficient than the older binary file format. .xlsm. This file extension is used for Excel workbooks that contain macros. Macros are small programs that can be used to automate tasks in Excel. .xlsb. This file extension is used for Excel workbooks that are stored in a binary format. This format is not as compatible with other versions of Excel. .xltx. This file extension is used for Excel templates created in Excel 2007 or later. Templates are workbooks that can be used to create new workbooks. .xltm. This extension is used for Excel templates that contain macros.